Hi, my name is Dave Andrews, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about how encryption works. And what I'm going to show you is called a cipher, which is one of the simplest forms of encryption. It's actually, can be dated to around Roman times and possibly even before that. So I'm going to pull up my computer here and show you how ciphers work. So I have here a text document, and as you can see, I have all the letters of the alphabet typed out here, as well as the number for which those letters fall on. And then on my last row, I have other characters that we're going to use to represent those letters. Now, a cipher simply takes text and takes every single character and represents that character with another character. And the response that you get is your ciphered text. So I'm going to take this as fun, and I'm going to run it through my cipher here. I have a T, which corresponds to the letter B in my cipher. I then have an H, which corresponds to a star. An I is an opening parentheses, and an S is an A. Then there's a space. An I is an opening parentheses. A S is an A. And an F is a caret mark. A U corresponds to the C, and the letter N corresponds to a forward-leaning slash. So as you can see, this line right here is our encrypted text. This is fun. The way you decrypt that text is to run it through your cipher backwards. In other words, we'll take the B and correspond it upwards instead of going downwards. So our letter B is a T, our star is an H, our opening parentheses is an I, the letter A is an S, then there's a space, opening parentheses is an I, the letter A is an S, space, a caret is an F, the letter C is a U, and the forward-leaning slash is an N. So we have just decrypted our text by running it through the cipher backwards. And, there are a lot more complicated methods of encryption, but this is, a good way to get your mind wrapped around how encryption works. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how encryption works.